Hi everyone, this is Alicia Batra, your real estate agent reporting right from Dubai. Location Damac Hills 2, a master community by the biggest developer of Dubai, Damac. Right now I'm at Damac Hills 2 community, which is known for its lifestyle and amenities. I'll just let you know what this community has to offer in terms of amenities. They have got crystal clear lagoon, they have got lazy river, they have got a lot of greenery, and they have also got the wave pool, the famous man-made Malibu beach, the play zone area for children, and they have got townhouses, they have got villas, and they have also got the apartments. Now if I compare the prices in the main areas like Business Bay, downtown, Marina, you'll be getting a one-bedroom apartment for say 2 million dirhams. Now here you're getting a 4-bedroom townhouse for 2 million dirham, which will also get your golden visa for you and your family. Right now the demand of townhouse and villas is comparatively higher and the supply is relatively low these days. Now being just 5% or in number in Dubai real estate, townhouses and villas, they hold an exclusive value, and getting a townhouse of 2300 square feet, 4-bedroom at 2 million dirham with 1% monthly payment plan is definitely a win-win deal for an investor. I'll just give you a tour of the community also, wherein you can see people are already residing in this community. अब मैं आ गई हूँ डमैक हिल्स 2 के मैलिबू बीच की साइड में। आप अभी से मेरे लेफ्ट में देख सकते हो, आई थिंक यहाँ पे वेव पूल वेव्स चल रही है एंड लाइक लिटरली लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो चलो मैं आपको अपने साथ लेकर चलती हूँ। लेट मी गिव यू अ क्विक टूर ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल कम्युनिटी, ब्यूटीफुल मैलिबू बीच। मैलिबू बीच तक मैं नहीं जा पाई, अलाउड नहीं था, लेकिन मैं आपको यहाँ से दिखा देती हूँ लेजी रिवर। आप मेरे साथ साथ चलिए एंड देखिए लेजी रिवर कितनी ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है। लाइक आपको लिटरली वाटर पार्क तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप अपनी समर्स भी इंजॉय कर सकते हो अगर आप इस मास्टर कम्युनिटी में अपना घर लेते हो। इतना क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर है, इतनी ग्रीनरी है, टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करने के लिए भी ना यहाँ पे बहुत ही परफेक्ट ध्यान रखा गया है, वाटर बॉडीज इतनी लगा के एंड ग्रीनरी इतने ज्यादा ट्रीज प्लांट करके। आप देखते रहिए, हाउ पीपल आर जस्ट सिटिंग ओवर देयर एंजॉयिंग। I really want every investor, to see what they will be getting if they will buy a townhouse in Damac Hills 2. So, इस साइड पे है हम डमैक हिल सेल सेंटर की पार्किंग एरिया में। आई जस्ट थॉट कि आपको पूरा अच्छे से दिखा दिया जाए, और आप अगर मेरे साथ चलते रहेंगे तो जो आप एकदम मेरे सामने दिख रहे हैं ना, वो इनके शो यूनिट्स है, वो है टाउन हाउसेस एंड विलास जिस तरह से आपको मिलने वाले। तो इस साइड पे मेरे है शो विलास एंड दैट इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल वाटर बॉडी दैट यू कैन सी। So I'm just coming back from Damac Hills 2 and you can see outside. Now what I'm going to tell you now is that this is rightfully the best time to invest in Damac Hills 2. Reason being the price point, the payment plan, the location benefits. Now if I talk about the connectivity, so from the new airport which is coming up, Al Maktoum International Airport, from that location this one is just 23 to 25 minutes away. So the community, the amenities and the location and the townhouse, everything is spectacular, and the maximum benefits you can get is by investing in a townhouse. And the townhouse, when it is at the price of 1-bedroom apartment, that's a win-win deal. So to know more about Damac Hills 2 and about the community and the payment plan and what is the availability right now, because it keeps on changing, just contact on the number mentioned below. I've also mentioned the email address, I've also mentioned my Indian number and my UAE number. You can connect with me anytime. The Instagram handle is also mentioned. You can connect with me anytime. See you in the next video in a new community tour.